Final Boss. The pirate ship is one of the essential items in the park. This is our 40-seater pirate ship, standing at 14.5 meters tall and covering an area of 11 by 21 meters. It operates with a power of 50 kilowatts. So far, it's one of the must-have projects for all parks to attract visitors. With its exaggerated appearance and thrilling experience, it's the first choice for all amusement park owners. We also have a 24-seater model and can provide custom-made options for you.